Hi guys, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's tutorial video I'm going to show you how you can change your name to your Call of Duty account. So if you had signed up for the Call of Duty account or logged into the account with a certain name and now want to change it to something else, you have to stick with me till the end of this video to find out how to do it. Please make sure that you follow this step-by-step instructions in order to properly change the name and save changes to the changes that you're trying to make. So for this, head over to your web browser in the very beginning, and then on the search bar type in callofduty.com. As you do that, you will land on an interface like this, and then on the top right corner you can see 3 horizontal lines, and once you tap on it, you will see an option that says profile if you're already logged into your account. So tap on the profile option, and as you tap on the profile option, you will be directed towards your profile that will consist of different information regarding yourself. So amongst the various options that are available, tap on basic info. That will lead you towards your personal information. So here you can see that currently your full name is something. When you tap on the edit option, you can be able to change the first and the last name. So here I'm just going to change the first and the last name of my account. And then after changing the first name, also change the last name. After doing this, do not forget to tap on the save button, because if not, all of the changes that you've recently made will not be possible. So here you can see that my full name has already been changed. So this is basically how you can change your name on your Call of Duty account. It's a very simple process, but a very step-by-step chronological process. So I hope that this video helped you in order to change your own name. If it did, do let us know in the comment section below. Also let us know in the comment section what next video should I make. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to App Guide.